best tech gadgets used in pregnancy. There is a seemingly never-ending supply of information that can be found online regarding the most helpful pregnancy items and necessities for babies. However, what exactly do you require? We at Natal are well aware of the fact that it may be rather difficult to differentiate between the necessary pregnancy accessories and those that are, in all likelihood, not going to be utilized. To help make things more clear-cut, and to give you more time to focus on your upcoming arrival, we have selected the top 9 devices that can assist with pregnancy and those first few months after your baby is born. These devices can be used both during pregnancy and in those first few months after your baby is born. The most helpful pregnancy accessories are: Number 11. Belly Buds Maternity Headphones and Earbuds. Wafhello's Belly Buds are a wonderful way to experience a closer connection with your baby before they are born and to allow other members of your family the opportunity to bond with them as well. You can play music, stories, and voice recordings for your unborn child through the Belly Buds portable and discreet headphones. Your unborn child will be able to hear these things as early as 20 weeks into your pregnancy, and they will be able to remember them as early as 30 weeks. Number 10. Jacket Extender. Throughout pregnancy, it can be wonderful to watch your body transform, but it can also be frustrating when your favorite clothes start to become uncomfortable to wear because of your growing baby bump. You don't need to go out and buy an entirely new maternity wardrobe if you have a jacket extender, because you can continue to wear your regular coats during your pregnancy and after the baby is born. This ingenious addition to your wardrobe comes in a variety of designs, materials, and hues, and it attaches easily to the zippers that are already on your garments. When your little one arrives, you may use the extender that came with your jacket to wrap it around a baby carrier and then zip it up to keep both you and your child warm. Number 9. Intelligent Baby Monitor, Nanit. Although not technically a pregnancy accessory, a baby monitor is one piece of equipment that most parents who are expecting find helpful in getting ready for the arrival of their child. And this particular one tops them all in the industry. The Nanit is so much more than simply a monitor. It is a full tool for keeping track of sleep and development and capturing those precious moments that you want to remember forever. The camera allows you to view your child at any time, and its two-way audio allows you to communicate with them immediately. In addition to this, the Nanit will provide you with daily reports on your baby's sleep. It will record short video clips, and it will provide you with an accurate reading of the temperature in the room where your baby is sleeping. With the addition of the Nanit breathing gear, you will even be able to monitor your baby's breathing motions. This is possible because the camera will measure the number of breaths per minute even if your baby is only making very slight movements. Number 8. TENS Machine. A transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation (TENS) machine is a battery-operated device that, when pads adhere to the skin, transmits mild electrical impulses throughout the body. It is a well-known and often utilized type of pain management, and it can be utilized in this fashion throughout the early stages of labor, particularly to counteract the discomfort felt in the back. The sensation that it gives can also serve as a pleasant distraction from the contractions, which can help you feel more in control of your labor and less anxious about the process. Number 7. Relief Band. Although they are very frequent, morning sickness and nausea can be challenging to manage, and at their worst, they have the potential to completely disrupt your day. But, using a relief band can help reduce the symptoms you're experiencing. The relief band is a digital gadget that is worn like a watch and gently stimulates the underside of the wrist. It then sends impulses via your nerve system into the brain, which regulates the response your body has when you are feeling unwell. Number 6. A blanket with belly armor. The radiation that is emitted from electronic devices such as cell phones, laptops, and other electronic devices can have an impact on a person's health and development. The belly armor blanket, which is made from Radiashield fabric and soft organic cotton, protects your growing baby as well as your growing belly from this radiation. It is excellent for use at home, in the office, and while you are out and about throughout your pregnancy to bring comfort and peace of mind. The size is generous, but the weight is little, so it is easy to carry. Number 5. Intimina KegleSmart Electronic Pelvic Floor Trainer. The Intimina KegleSmart is designed for use after pregnancy and helps strengthen pelvic floor muscles, which supports recovery after childbirth, improves bladder and bowel control, and increases sensation. This device is ideal for use after pregnancy. You should also consult with your midwife before utilizing it and wait at least 6 weeks following the birth before doing so. You may need to wait longer depending on the type of delivery. It evaluates the strength of your pelvic floor through the application of touch sensing technology and then customizes a Kegel training plan for you based on the results. The Kegel Smart is simple to operate because it only has a single button to switch it on and off. All you have to do to utilize it is simply follow the exercises along with the vibrations that it provides. Number 4. Medela Swing Maxi Breast Pump. Medela's Swing Maxi Breast Pump is a double-chamber model that is lightweight, portable, and small. Its ergonomic design allows users to pump in comfort while causing as little disruption as possible to their day-to-day activities. It has a user-friendly UI with only 4 buttons and 9 different default settings, and its technology is designed to simulate the natural sucking rhythm of your infant. The Medela breast shields come in 2 different sizes, allowing you to choose the one that is most comfortable for you to wear. In addition, the milk ducts are subjected to lower pressure thanks to the pump's soft rim and oval form, which also allows it to produce more milk than other types of milking machines. Number 3. A prenatal heartbeat monitor is known as the ROO. Following the anatomy scan I had at 20 weeks, I was able to use this fetal Doppler gadget to monitor my unborn child's heartbeat in the comfort of my own home. Its compact Doppler is worn on the lower abdomen and secured in place with an elastic band for added security. It establishes a connection with an app on your phone through Bluetooth, allowing you to record your heartbeat and monitor your heart rate over a week. Number 2. Bracelets for the treatment of nausea. Even if you never move off the couch during your first trimester of pregnancy, you could be in for a wild trip of nausea and motion sickness. Before going to bed each night, I put on one of these C-bands, and I noticed that it made it easier for me to go to sleep without feeling queasy. Yep, morning sickness is a real thing, too. The bracelets do not contain any drugs or chemicals of any kind. Instead, they rely on pressure points to alleviate nausea. In addition to that, they can be cleaned quickly and come with a convenient carrying box. Number 1. The Instructor of the Elves. You've undoubtedly already been informed of how crucial it is to perform pelvic floor exercises regularly. The muscles in that region become frailer during pregnancy and need to be strengthened to be able to withstand the weight of the baby as well as the stresses of labor and delivery. Your pelvic floor muscles can be strengthened with the help of the LV trainer both while you are pregnant and after you have given birth. This results in improved bladder control, yay! As well as a quicker recovery time after giving delivery. By connecting to an app on your device, the trainer ensures that you remain on track and correctly perform the exercises. The application guides you through a series of brief workouts, monitors your progress, and checks that you are applying the appropriate methods. Very cool. This is the end of today's video. Do you find it helpful? Must give your response in our comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.